It started the night the algorithm got the promotion. Jamie, a young boy, had the title, the desk, the LinkedIn badge. If this feels familiar, you need to stay right now. The office didn't empty overnight. It happened quietly. The version of yourself you planned is running late. Dex, a dog, saw it first. He always does. They called it restructuring. He called it Tuesday. When the market no longer needs you, it stops seeing you. 6 p.m. New York time, another upload into the void. His entire career evaporated into a software update. The interviewer didn't blink. It never does. He kept smiling because the alternative was too honest. Dex read the ad. The robot worked for electricity. He worked harder, because that's what you're supposed to do. Next to the machine, his effort registered as noise. Everything was available. Nothing was affordable. He still dressed the part. The part no longer existed. Dex drew the graph. It wasn't complicated. He paced the same floor for 6 hours, solving nothing. They wanted 5 years' experience in a 2-year-old tool. His potential was still there. Monetizing it was the problem. Everyone was busy. No one was building anything real. He laughed at the AI's joke. He had to. The bus didn't care where he was going. Neither did the economy. He had all the time in the world. Time was the problem. The hustle was still there. The destination had been deleted. 12 years of craft, replaced in a licensing agreement. The title was still accurate. For another 30 days, he watched the machine do its job. It didn't complain. Optimism became the most exhausting job he had. Even Dex didn't have the answer. That was new. The mail slot had more information than his bank app. He had become the guy feeding pigeons at 2 p.m. on a Wednesday. Every skill he had a chapter in a library no one needed. The food was cheaper because a machine made it. He was cheaper too. His resume was a historical document, not a pitch. The city was worth $12 trillion. He had 40. He could see right through himself. The market already had. The dog understood the economy better than the economists did. The machines were off. They were resting. He was competing with their rest. He checked, then checked again. Math is cruel that way. They were legacy systems, still functional, no longer supported. The moment you understand it, it gets heavier, not lighter. His reflection had been trying to warn him. He just never listened. The sign was honest. The economy wasn't. There's a difference between giving up and powering down. If they want you gone, the most radical act is staying. It started the night the algorithm got the promotion. You already know how this ends.